Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Jeff Damoy, and in today's video I'm going to tell you guys on mail magic. Basically what you should know about mail magic is that it deals with issues of sending letters, emails, invitation cards to many people. So if you have like many people you want to send your document to, you use mail magic. So basically, if you have your existing Word document already, you can use it. Or if you don't have your existing Word document, you can create one. For our case, we have our existing Word document, so we opened it. So this is it. This is our existing Word document already. So in mail merging, we go to mailings. So we come here, they start what? So we come here, start mail merge. Click here. Can either send us letters, emails, envelopes. Let's send it as letters. We select recipient. You can either use an existing list of recipients or we type new list. For our case, let's type new list. Let's put it. Let's customize it. Title. No, I don't need this. Yes. I need this one. I don't need this one. Address still don't need it. Stay. I don't need it. So I think this is it. The first name, last name, address, city, the zip code. Now let's customize it again. We don't need this. So we have this. Our first name, let's put it to be Sarah. Sarah. Last name, Bell. Address, 45. Email. City, let's put it to be Kulu. Zero seven seven 1 2 4 6 8 10. So this is it. So okay, you have to save it. You can save it as new lists. List. So I have it. So I have it already. So now we come here. We want to insert our merge field. We can just choose first name, insert. No. Now we can first choose We come to insert our match field. Now address. Let's put it to be job title. Okay, so we insert. Insert. First name. Insert first name. Ponimar. Cái coi cái data mình nọ được. Come. First name. Insert. See, this is it. So check for errors. See, this is how you send your mails. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more videos. Thanks.